Hello everyone, we are here at the field which is behind our lake, man. You know, my place is so much peaceful. I am getting peace when I say people. So I don't know. All the men who gonna stay with me, they are laughing when they see my attitude, my behavior, you know. Look at that fucker, the white guy. He just tried to pretend to be the nice guy. Seriously, we just here to watch overall the cow. Even the owner also with us. He just here to watch his cows to bring at his home. And this is the unit 33 of Moirang 80 camp. I was pointing at the wrong side, sorry for that. माफ कर दीजिए मैंने उल्टा पुल्टा बता दिया. Look at that poor guy. He also my friend. He just looking some paddy. That can have him to feeding his night dinner. Look at him, the white guy. Sorry, area's dark. Let me move little away. Nice, screen to see. Nice. Look at him. What he is doing here. Are you comfortable with that? And recently I got wonder to meet him. That guy is from my neighbor like guys. Like this man. 진짜 뻥상상아. 잘하게. 전 바라고 나만 여기 이행하고.